Today, December 9, 2012, we're in the Perimeter Mall in Dunwoody, Georgia. And this is how they decorate for Christmas. Looks so festive, I feel like singing. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Make your heart be light. From now on, our troubles will be out of sight. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Make the Yuletide bright. From now on, our troubles will be miles away. Here we are as in olden days, happy golden days of yore. Faithful friends who are dear to us, gather near to us once more. Through the years, we all will be together, if the fates allow. Hang a shining star upon the highest bough, and have yourself